All right, listen up. If your ad dollars are vanishing into thin air, it's time for a hard truth. What if you could plug that money leak with a killer blueprint powered by 2 secret weapons? These game-changing tools turn every wasted click into pure profit, even if you've been burned before. Stick with me and I'll show you how to flip the script and finally turn your ad spend into a profit machine that works for you. What you're looking at now is my little slideshow I put together for you. Paid ads losing money, here's why and how to fix it fast. It's the proven formula to stop wasting ad spend and start turning clicks into profits, even if nothing has worked before. I'm going to go through each slide here real quick, try to make this as brief as possible, and I'm going to show you the fix here that's going to help you turn all that wasted ad spend into a profit. So the invisible profit killer, lost website traffic equals lost sales. Wasted ad spend is a significant issue for businesses today. Understanding this concept is crucial for improving marketing efficiency and maximizing profits. Here's the key pain point facts with some sources. 98% of website visitors leave without taking action. Only 2% of traffic converts on the first visit. 70 to 90% of paid ad clicks never return to your site. Retargeting can boost conversion rates by up to 150%, yet 46% of businesses don't use it. Businesses that optimize their follow-up strategy recover up to 30% of lost leads. And I got sources for every one of these. And you got right here, 40% of media spend wasted in Q1 a few years back in 2022. 62% of consumers find ads intrusive. Let's move on to the third slide here. The problem, wasted ad spend. Revenue lost resulting from ineffective ad spending. Companies lose up to 76% of potential revenue due to poor ad targeting and low conversion rates. 97% of ad clicks never result in a purchase due to weak audience targeting. And here's 50 to 90% of ad spend that is wasted. 29 billion is wasted annually on ineffective digital ads. That's a huge number. 63% of marketers say their biggest challenge is turning ad spend into actual revenue. Let's go on to our next slide here. Number 4, key mistakes businesses make. More traffic equals more sales. Many businesses mistakenly believe that simply increasing traffic will lead to higher sales. This misconception can lead to wasted resources. Sending visitors to dead-end homepages. Directing visitors to ineffective homepages often results in lost leads. A well-structured landing page is essential for conversion. 98% of visitors leave without providing any contact information, making it crucial to capture leads effectively. Number 5 here. Here's your solution. ClickFunnels and Traffic ID. It's going to be available directly below on the links below in the video description box. ClickFunnels. You're going to join the One Funnel Away Challenge to learn how to build a high-converting sales funnel that effectively captures and converts leads. This is essential. If you're not turning your traffic, you're sending it to a page that's not converting, that's what ClickFunnels is going to do. It's going to take your all your leads that you capture and turn them into paying customers. Now, Traffic ID is the second business tool that I highly recommend. It allows businesses to track visitors in real time and capture valuable emails and phone numbers, turning wasted clicks into potential leads. And that's something you can install directly on your website. How valuable would it be to have a plugin installed on your website? It's going to tell you who's visiting your website in real time, so you can contact them in real time. Give them, they give you their contact information. You can find that out directly in the dashboard. So instead of 98% of those people leaving your website, you're going to capture a majority of those people and turn them into potentially paying customers. Awesome tool, pretty new on the market, and it's going to help you to grow your business pretty substantially. Next slide. Here's a 3-step blueprint for success. Step 1, capture and track visitors. Utilize Traffic ID to capture and track visitors effectively. Step 2, convert leads. Use ClickFunnels to create funnels that convert leads into paying customers. Huge, especially nowadays. You got to capture those leads, and you got to put them into a funnel, and you got to turn them into paying customers. Steps, if you're not doing it, you're missing out on a lot of money. Step 3, follow up and scale. Implement follow-up strategies to scale what works and maximize your marketing efforts. On to the next slide. Bonus tips for optimization. Test and personalize your outreach. Tailor your messaging to resonate with your audience. Monitor metrics. Keep an eye on performance metrics to identify areas for improvement. Constantly optimize your funnel. Make adjustments based on data to enhance or boost your conversion rates. Traffic ID is going to capture hidden leads while ClickFunnels converts them. Remember, every wasted click costs money. Act fast to boost your return on investment. And finally, like I said, remember, every minute wasted is money lost. Take action now before another dollar goes down the drain. Click the links below to get Traffic ID and join the One Funnel Away Challenge. The One Funnel Away Challenge is going to show you how to build a high converting funnel from industry experts. It's going to give you 2 choices. I'm going to leave that as a surprise for you, but they're multi-million-dollar marketers in both their respective fields. I'll let you check that out for yourself. And Traffic ID is which we already talked about, is how it's going to take those website leads and convert them into paying customers. So you're not losing all those leads, those 98% of leads who leave your website never to return again. So with that being said, thanks for watching this video. Hopefully it was helpful. Take advantage of these 2 free tools to get your conversion rate back on track. That being said, thanks for watching. Hit the like button if you enjoyed this video. Subscribe to my YouTube channel for future video updates. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Bye-bye.